Alright guys, let's see if this actually works. This is crazy. In 3, 2, 1, enter. Oh my god. Should I open it? Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Radius, and I just gifted myself the Renegade Raider for completely free in Fortnite. Now this is an insanely cool glitch, so if you guys want to learn how to do this, make sure to watch to the whole entire video, because it's actually crazy. And also guys, you guys can gift every single skin. As you guys just saw, I just gifted myself the Renegade Raider skin, and I can actually equip it in my locker and actually wear it in the party and do emotes with it, and it completely works. And this is actually the bot right here. It's a gifting lobby bot, and I will do a tutorial on how to do this if this video gets 500 likes and 1,000 people using my supported creator code. My supported creator code is FCYT, so make sure to use that code in the item shop. And then once I see that 1,000 people have used it, I'll make a video on this. So if everybody watches this video, puts in the code, I can probably make the video maybe even by tomorrow. So this video is actually insane. This bot is actually insane. I can also give myself the Galaxy skin. And it will give me options on which galaxy I want to gift myself, and that would be obviously the first one. And then as you guys can see, guys, we just gifted myself the Galaxy skin in Fortnite. This is insane. And honestly, while we're here, I'm gonna gift myself the iconic skin because that's one of my favorite skins. And there we go, guys. I gifted myself the iconic skin as well. And lastly but not least, let's just gift the Wonder skin. And there you guys go. We have the Wonder skin. And how could I not forget about the Aerial Assault Trooper, guys? And there we go, guys. I just made my locker insanely stacked. We literally got almost every OG skin and every exclusive. This is literally insane, guys. And this is obviously working in Chapter 3, Season 2. And this is insane. So like I said earlier, if this video gets 500 likes and 1,000 people using my supported creator code, which is FC Radius, I will do a tutorial on how to do this. And just to prove to you guys that this is actually real and not a recording, I can actually look up Ariel, and I should have the skin, the Ariel. And we also gifted the Wonder skin, so here is the Wonder skin. And then, of course, we gifted the iconic skin, which is one of my favorite skins. And, of course, we can wear these skins in the locker. We can, I don't have any friends online, but you can join them. It's insane. And you can wear these skins actually in-game as well because they are yours and you gifted them through the bot. And this is literally insane, guys. And this is literally, like, this is crazy. You guys do not want to miss out on this. And if you guys are still watching the video, comment the emoji hearts, and I will heart your comment. But yeah, guys, that's basically going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy, Radius, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And peace.